It's almost the end of the day and I still haven't hit my protein macros, so I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these lemon cake bars by Pure Protein so that I don't lose all the hard work that I put in today and I can maximize my gains. Off the bat, I'd say it is looking pretty promising, containing 20 grams of protein, which is pretty solid for 200 calories, which I can afford after the exercise that I put in, and surprisingly only having 2 grams of sugar, which I am a little skeptical about because just looking at the picture, it looks like it is a very heavily sugar-coated cake. Let's go ahead and open it up and try it. Oh, I'd say the bars are a lot smaller than I initially thought they would be. I can kind of see how this would only be 200 calories and maybe only contain 2 grams of sugar. I'm not sure if the size shows up well on camera, but I'd say it's about the size of a small candy bar or maybe like a granola bar. Oh, okay. So it is like a solid icing or like fondant that's on top of the bar instead of powder, so that's really good. It's going to be clean to eat. It sort of smells like one of the lemon cakes that my mom used to bake when I was small. Wow, these actually taste really good. Like, I thought that it would be just like a small spongy cake, but with like the icing or the fondant, it gives this really smooth kind of creamy texture to it with a slight crunch at the end, which works perfectly with the lemon flavoring. Oh wow, because it really has a taste of a lemon cake without being too flaky or having like the cake texture, and without being overly sweet. It does kind of bring back childhood memories for me because my mom used to bake lemon cakes all the time, so I could definitely see myself eating these as not just a protein supplement, but perhaps also using them as a dessert replacement for a healthier snacking option. After trying this, I can kind of see now why Pure Protein is a pretty popular brand. They have these protein bars in a lot of different flavors. Personally, right now, I would say the lemon cake is my favorite, though I haven't tried the other ones yet. But yeah, if you're looking to get an affordable protein bar that will not only help you hit your macros, but taste pretty great, pick up some of these Pure Protein bars for yourself today, and you'll be a happy camper.